Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Mathsphobia. In the earlier video, we have learned trigonometric ratio and all silver teacups. In this video, let us do some examples. The given question is, if sine theta is equals to 4 by 5, theta does not lies in first quadrant. Find cos theta. Solution. Let us assume triangle ABC as right angle triangle at B, and sine theta is equals to 4 by 5, where sine theta is equals to opposite by hypotenuse, which means 4 is hypotenuse, 4 is opposite, and 5 is hypotenuse. 5 and 4. Find x. By using Pythagoras theorem, we can find x. AB square plus BC square is equals to AC square. AB is equals to 4 and BC is equals to x and AC is equals to 5 whole square. So x square is equals to 25 minus 16, where x square is equals to 9, x is equals to 3. So the adjacent side is equals to 3 units. As we know that cos theta is equals to adjacent by hypotenuse, which means 3 by 5. As theta does not lies in first quadrant, according to the formula of all silver teacups, theta lies in second quadrant. Quadrant 2, as sine is positive in quadrant 1 and quadrant 2. So cos theta is equals to minus 3 by 5, as cos theta is negative in quadrant 2. As coming to the second question, in this second question it is given that secant theta plus tan theta is equals to 2 by 3 and ask us to find the value of sin theta and determine the quadrant in which theta lies. So solution. According to the trigonometric identities, we have learned that secant square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. This can be written in the form of secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta, a square minus b square, which is a plus b into a minus b. As we know that secant theta plus tan theta is given as 2 by 3. Substitute 2 by 3 in this place of secant theta plus tan theta. Secant theta minus tan theta is equals to 1. Secant theta minus tan theta is equals to 3 by 2. Consider this equation as second equation and this equation as first equation. Solving 1 and 2. Secant theta plus tan theta is equals to 2 by 3 and secant theta minus tan theta equals to 3 by 2. By elimination method, we can solve and find the values of secant theta and tan theta respectively. 2 secant theta is equals to 2 by 3 plus 3 by 2. LCM is 6. So 2 secant theta is equals to 4 plus 9 by 6, which means 13 by 6, and secant theta is equals to 13 by 12. Let us find substituting this value in equation 2 and find tan theta. 13 by 12 minus tan theta is equals to 3 by 2. 13 by 12 minus 3 by 2 is equals to tan theta. LCM is 6. LCM is 12. So 13 minus 18 by 12 equals to tan theta, which means minus 5 by 12 tan theta. As theta is negative, as tan theta value is negative, theta lies in quadrant 2 and 4. As secant theta is positive, theta lies in fourth quadrant or first quadrant. From these two equations, quadrant 2, quadrant 4 is same. So consider theta lies in fourth quadrant. Theta belongs to fourth quadrant. Solving this, we get secant theta is equals to 13 by 12 and tan theta equals to minus 5 by 12. Coming to the question, we have to find the value of sin theta. So for that, divide tan theta by secant theta, which means sin theta. Substitute the values of tan theta and secant theta in this formula. 13 by 12 minus 5 by 13 is equals to secant theta. Therefore, the value of secant theta is equals to minus 5 by 13. Next, coming to the third question, it was provided that the value of 3 sin theta plus 4 cos theta is equal to. In this question, it is given that the value of 3 sin theta plus 4 cos theta is 5 and asked us to find us 4 sin theta minus 3 cos theta. Let us write 3 sin theta plus 4 cos theta is equals to 5. 4 sin theta minus 3 cos theta is equals to k. Let's solve this two equation by elimination method. In order to cancel 3 sin theta plus 4 cos theta equals to 5, denote with equation 1, and 4 sin theta minus 3 cos theta is equals to k, denote with equation 2. Squaring on both sides equation 1 and equation 2 and add it. Equation 1 whole square plus equation 2 whole square, which means that 3 sin theta plus 4 cos theta whole square plus 4 sin theta plus minus 3 cos theta whole square is equals to 25 plus k square. Expand this. 9 sin square theta plus 16 cos square theta, 24 sin theta cos theta plus 16 sin square theta plus 9 cos square theta minus 24 sin theta cos theta equals to 25 plus k square. Eliminate the similar terms. 24 cos theta sin theta minus 24 sin theta cos theta. Take common sin square theta so that you can add 9 plus 16. From these two terms, take cos square theta common. So we can add 16 plus 9, which is equals to 25 plus k square. 25 sin square theta plus 25 cos square theta is equals to 25 plus k square. Take 25 common so that sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 25 plus k square. As we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1, 25 equals to 25 plus k square. Cancel. K equals to 0. So that the value of 4 sin theta minus 3 cos theta is 0. In this sum, it is given that cos theta plus sin theta is root 2 cos theta. We have to prove that cos theta minus sin theta is root 2 sin theta. So take this equation which is given in the question, cos theta plus sin theta equals to root 2 cos theta. So take this cos theta to RHS. So sin theta is equals to root 2 cos theta minus cos theta. So take cos theta common from these two terms, which means we are left with root 2 minus 1. Sin theta cross multiply with the equation root 2 minus 1 equals to cos theta. Rationalize the denominator. So sin theta into root 2 plus 1 by root 2 minus 1 into root 2 plus 1 equals to cos theta. Sin theta into root 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 into cos theta. So multiply using distributive property. Root 2 sin theta plus sin theta equals to cos theta. Take this sin theta to RHS. Cos theta minus sin theta equals to root 2 sin theta. Thus proved. The next question is given that tan theta plus cot theta whole square is equals to secant square theta plus cos theta whole square or secant square theta into cosecant square theta. We have to prove that tan theta plus cot theta whole square is equals to secant theta plus cosecant square theta whole square equals to secant square theta into cosecant square theta. So let's take this tan theta plus cot theta whole square. As we know that tan theta equals to sin theta by cos theta and cot theta equals to cos theta by sin theta. LCM is sin theta into cos theta. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to sin theta into cos theta whole square. As we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So 1 by sin theta cos theta whole square. As we know that 1 by sin theta is equals to cosecant theta and 1 by cos theta equals to secant theta. Cosecant square theta into secant square theta. From this we have proved this. So let's prove this. So tan theta plus cot theta whole square is equals to tan square theta. Expand this form in order to obtain this equation. Cot square theta plus 2 tan in theta cot theta. Write this tan square theta and cot square theta as it is. As we know that sin theta, tan theta is equals to sin theta by cos theta and cot theta equals to cos theta by sin theta. Cancel this. From the trigonometric identities, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1 and cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. So from these two trigonometric identities, we get the tan square theta value as secant square theta minus 1 plus cosecant square theta minus 1 plus 2 into 1. So secant square theta minus 2 plus cosecant square theta plus 1 plus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 get cancelled, and we get secant square theta plus cosecant square theta. Thus proved. Thank you, friends.